AI business ideas for beginners in 2026. Artificial intelligence, AI, is creating new opportunities for people who want to start a business with low investment. In 2026, AI tools are becoming easier to use, allowing beginners to build services, create content, and solve problems for businesses without advanced programming skills. एक AI content creation agency. Many businesses need blog posts, social media content, product descriptions, and marketing materials. You can use AI tools to create content faster and offer services to small businesses. Focus on quality editing and fact-checking to stand out. Though AI-powered social media management. Businesses often struggle to maintain active social media accounts. You can use AI tools to generate posts, captions, hashtags, and content calendars. Managing social media for local businesses can become a steady source of income. Teen AI video creation business. Short-form videos are highly popular on platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. AI can help generate scripts, voiceovers, subtitles, and animations. You can offer video creation services or build your own content channels. Chark AI chatbot setup service. Many small businesses want customer support chatbots but do not know how to create them. You can learn basic chatbot setup and help businesses automate customer inquiries, appointment bookings, and FAQs. 5 AI resume and career services. Job seekers need resumes, cover letters, and interview preparation. AI can help create professional documents quickly. Offering personalized career services can attract students and professionals. AI graphic design services. AI image generation tools can help create logos, social media graphics, thumbnails, and promotional materials. By combining creativity with AI, beginners can serve clients worldwide. 7 AI-powered online courses. If you have knowledge in a specific field, you can create online courses. AI can assist with lesson planning, script writing, presentations, and quizzes, making course creation faster and easier. 8 AI Research Assistant Service. Businesses and creators need market research, competitor analysis, and information gathering. AI tools can help collect and organize data efficiently. This service is especially useful for startups and entrepreneurs. No AI automation consulting. Many companies waste time on repetitive tasks. AI automation can streamline emails, customer support, data entry, and scheduling. Even beginners can learn no-code automation tools and offer valuable solutions. Thus, AI YouTube channel. Creating educational content about AI, business, technology, history, or science can be profitable. High-quality videos targeting audiences in countries such as the United States often attract higher advertising revenue than many other niches. Conclusion. AI is lowering the barriers to entrepreneurship. Beginners can start with skills such as content creation, video production, social media management, or automation services. The most successful AI businesses focus on solving real problems rather than simply using AI tools. By learning continuously and delivering value to customers, entrepreneurs can build profitable businesses in 2026 and beyond.